Oh, I didn't even...
Excuse me? Oh yeah.
And that's what we're doing today, boys. What is going on, guys? Today, we are going to be doing the third brake light for the trunk to finish off the trilogy of brake lights. So obviously, you guys know we did the rear reflector brake lights. I have a video on that if you guys want to check that out. Which then goes with the spider LED taillights, which means there's one more brake light, which is this boy. And you see how disgusting this is, and you see how nice this is. So this is a LED spotted trunk light that is tinted black versus my old tint job. And we're gonna be taking this out and replacing it with this LED. So without further ado, we will go and open the trunk, and we're gonna take a flathead and we're gonna pop every single one of these clips right out. We're gonna pull this fabric right off. I'm so scared of things falling on me. So now you guys have removed. And so now we can see where the third brake light is. So we're gonna start by just popping this bulb out. Now I had an LED in here. I wouldn't suggest it if you guys keep this for some reason. We got two 10mm bolts that are gonna sit right here that we're gonna go ahead and take out. Why'd you grab the shitty ratchet?
Appearances aren't everything, okay?
Right here.
So, as you're pulling, just kind of tuck your finger here and you go wiggle jiggle back and forth.
Look at this. This is nasty.
You might break it.
That was pretty satisfying.
Now, this isn't gonna be as sticky, but I'm still gonna send it. That's all you need to change. This is a great modification. I uploaded a video today at 11. I didn't post on Instagram. I'm having too much fun.
How do you take it out?
I just literally just fucking, and then you know what you do with this? You leave it here for the next tenant. 3 parts.
Just kidding.
Okay, take this.
Wait, can you?
Oh.
You want that?
Bring this up, bring that up. Make sure she's happy.
The bolts on it'll get tighter.
Take our 2 little nuts here. Slide them on temporarily just so we're in position. These are polarity specific because they are LED, but this will just plug right in to your OEM plug. And then what we're gonna do is press the brake light.
Yep.
Man, dude, that looks sick.
Hold on. No, they have to wait for the finished product.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Come on, guys. Thought you were gonna get away that easy? Not with me around. So I'm gonna tighten these up. And then I'll give them a couple turns so that this goes down flat. So that's pretty tight. And then that's pretty tight. We take a look at it. And it sits in there pretty nicely. Oh, dude, that blends up super nice.
Yeah, it does.
That is good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna run this through here. And stick my big sausage fingers in. I'm gonna grab this. I'm probably gonna grab the whole harness.
Yeah, the bulk of the plastic.
Or a little tie. Okay, everything is happy. Everything looks good, which means we're done. So now we can go ahead and put it back together. Really easy mod, and it looks really good.
How's the weather out here, Colton? Tell us about the weather today.
It's fucking muggy today, man.
You're telling me.
I moved up here for direct sunlight. Now I'm dealing with that shit I moved away from. I think it's only muggy in here because of the car.
Yeah.
Okay, one more.
Hurry up, we want to see the brakes
Do their thing, chicken wing.
The car rolled up. Oh my god, I plugged it in the wrong way.
I haven't pressed the brakes yet.
Uh-oh. Yeah! Oh my god, it looks like the trifecta effect.
It's pretty sick.
It is nice. It does look good. It looks better than that little single dot. Like, look at this. If a cop pulled me over for tinted lights, I would say, boss, look at my trifecta.
Bang, hit him, bang!
Hit him with that. It looks like a fire.
It's nighttime. Picture this. It's nighttime. Let's hit the lights. Hold on. We're gonna tell a story. Okay. So, you know, it's nighttime. We're going to get a late night coffee. Get in the car. Turn your lights on. Looks pretty sick, right? But wait. Someone's flashing you behind you, and you're just like, bang!
Alright guys, and that is the quick and easy video for today. So obviously super easy install. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to pick up this bad boy. But at the end of the day, it definitely looks better than this and the little single bulb that was inside of it. So this is one of those upgrades I would definitely suggest to everybody, of course, and it looks good. I'm pretty sure you can get these in clear, but obviously I got tinted to go with the whole back end look. But at the end of the day, if you guys enjoyed, oh, I almost dropped it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all.
Ring the bell, guys, in the next one.